Who that?
Oh, and watch it, Trevor.
What? Yo, what are them so forward?
I'm gonna play one song for him, watch.
Yeah, Alexa, behave yourself, man. Ease yourself, man. Sure.
What? I'm there, I'm virgin. Reach fast, man.
Yeah, man.
Come here, man.
Yo, where's Alexa?
I don't know, she run herself chill. What's up with that?
Man, chill, man. You can't go and sit down, man. That's a quick thing. Don't know anything.
Don't worry your head, man. Yeah.
Hmm?
We carried about 8 o'clock last night.
You don't want to know we carried the 8 o'clock last night.
No, man, I want to know, man. I want to know.
Alright, well first, after she tell me say she got hairdresser, but my cousin the GPS on her car tell me say she got crossroader, and her debit card swipe over Carib. She buy 2 tickets for see Black Panther. She upload 8 pictures to Google Photos. 3 of them are she and the boy Kirky. 1 is a screenshot for WhatsApp war, and 4 selfie where she take in her bathroom. Kirky drop her off at the hairdresser, and then just wet up her ear, and because she a coolie, it look like it do.
Yeah, that good. Alright, Alexa. Good. Yeah, I'm good, you know?